In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change DPI in your Logitech G X Superlight 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing the DPI for your Superlight or your Superlight 2 is extremely simple. You have two main ways of doing this. The first one is going to be through Logitech's software G HUB, and then I'm going to show you an alternative if you don't like running G HUB in the background of your PC. So, like I said, the main one is through the G HUB software. You will be able to download it from the official website. So, go to logitechg.com, and then if you go over to software, you can find the option here, download for Windows or Mac OS. Now, I am going to demonstrate this with the G502X. Sadly, I don't have a Superlight 2 at the moment. I apologize, but the process is exactly the same, so don't worry. When you open the G HUB software, you can click on your Superlight. So you will click on the Superlight and you will see this view. Like I said, I am demonstrating this with the G502, but the process is the same. You will see these two buttons at the left. You have to go over to sensitivity. This is where you will be able to find the DPI options. Now, I like having only one DPI at all times, which is 1100. But you will be able to add new DPIs. So by clicking on this line here, you can set up new DPI values. You can have up to 5 DPI values at a time, and you can switch between these DPI. To my knowledge, the Superlight 1 and the Superlight 2 do not have a dedicated DPI button, so this is kind of useless because you will have to open up the software and then click on each of these, or you can most likely set up an assignment to change the DPI, but you will have to assign that to one of the side buttons, so keep all of that in mind. The point is, you will be able to change it from here. So you can set up specific values for each of these or drag them around the line. You can delete them by clicking on them and then pressing the delete button, and they will be set up accordingly. They will be saved. And now there are two more options that you have. If you don't want to run the software, just save it to the onboard memory and then close G HUB. You can even exit out of the software altogether if you open the task manager and you end it. You don't have to run this on the background. Another option, if this doesn't work for whatever reason, is the onboard memory manager. So this is essentially G HUB, but it is condensed into a single 12 megabyte application. You download this from the official website here, so go to support.logi.com, look for the onboard memory manager, and then when you open it up, this is what you are going to see. So essentially, it is a mini G HUB. And once again, you can change the DPI from here. So let's say I want to raise this to 2000. All that you have to do after you change this is save, and it will be saved into the memory of the mouse. So after this is done, you don't even have to run this on the background. Just close it down and you are good to go. So choose whatever option you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to change DPI Logitech G X Superlight 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.